Hello, amazing learners! In this lesson, we will practice reading words with short and long vowel sounds. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Cap, cape, cap, cape. Tap, tape, tap, tape. Sam, same, Sam, same. Tall, tail, tall, tail. Mall, male, mall, male. Man, main, man, main. Rack, rake, rack, rake. Rat, rate, rat, rate. Pan, pain, pan, pain. Can, cane, can, cane. Ran, rain, ran, rain. Pad, paid, pad, paid. Van, vain, van, vain. Mad, made, mad, made. Hat, hate, hat, hate. Bed, bead, bed, bead. Said, seed, said, seed. Wed, weed, wed, weed. Ben, bean, ben, bean. Red, read, red, read. Net, neat, net, neat. Sell, seal, sell, seal. Fit, fight, fit, fight. Pin, pine, pin, pine. Kit, kite, kit, kite. Sit, sight, sit, sight. Win, wine, win, wine. Bought, boat, bought, boat. Caught, coat, caught, coat. Got, goat, got, goat. Not, note, not, note. Socks, soak, socks, soak. Ross, rose, Ross, rose. Cub, cube, cub, cube. Cut, cute, cut, cute. Mutt, mute, mutt, mute. Tub, tube, tub, tube. Duck, duke, duck, duke. Nut, mute, nut, mute. Well done, children! Continue to practice so you can improve your reading skills. See you in our next reading lesson. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.